Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. Pretty soon here, you're going to see Joanne make an appearance. And as we sit here and wait, are you guys ready? We're going to have fun today.
No, we're not.
We're going to run into downtown Seattle and explore a little bit. We were supposed to be gone 3 hours ago, but we're still waiting on Joanne to get ready. And she's inside running around looking for something. God only knows what.
Your wallet.
No, she's looking for the wallet she hid off of me.
Your keys and your wallet.
I got my keys. Anyway, it should be a fun day. We're actually going to go to a bike shop and pick up our bikes we dropped off yesterday. We had a little leak in one of Joanne's calipers, so I don't have a kit to bleed out hydraulic brakes on a bike, and instead of spending the money on a kit, we just took it to a bike shop to get that taken care of.
I don't know where it is.
So we are going to pick those up and head on in to downtown Seattle. We're supposed to leave 3 hours ago. Well, I hear a lot of banging. What's that behind us?
You better stop it.
She finally emerged. She finally emerged. There she goes.
Be elusive.
You know what's funny? She's actually had a schedule. She came out before 1 p.m.
Okay, right, now you're done. As I sit through the forestry trying to get to my chair.
Why'd you go that way?
Shut up.
All right, we're going to get rolling here.
I don't know where your wallet is.
But I have to go find my wallet that she lost last night. I'll be back. Alright, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video.
Hey, boo-boo. We are getting ready to go play. Huh? Strapping down. Getting ready to go biking downtown Seattle. Hey. Jeff.
Okay, everybody. We finally made it down to Pike's Marketplace, and things aren't going very well. We picked up the bikes, as you saw earlier, and we get down here, we unload the bikes, we're all excited to get going.
Never easy to unload and load.
Yeah, loading and unloading on that truck is kind of hard with those bikes. Even though they're registered at 73 pounds or 74 pounds, with all the gear we have on our bikes, they're well over 100. Anyway, come to find out, something happened while the bike's doing the shop, or at least my bike. Joe's seems to work fine. Mine, however, has the motor faulty. Something happened, I get a big error on the display. So, we're not riding our bikes. Sorry about all the noise in the background. We're moving tables. So we're not riding our bikes throughout Seattle and throughout the market here. We're going to hunt it.
We're going to hook and drink and eat a lot.
We're going to do what?
We're going to eat a lot and drink a little water.
Oh, water. That's what you're doing. So anyway, the day's not going well. Top it off, we pulled into a parking spot or a parking area, and I walk up to the place and it says it's $45 for 2 hours. Then if you want us longer than that, it goes from 2 hours to 10 hours, which is $80, something like that. And
we already wasted an hour.
Yeah, we wasted it. What did we do?
We wasted an hour trying to get the bike off and running.
Yeah, we figured out nothing's working, and we wasted an hour to take the bikes off, then put them back on. So that was, in parking terms, was $30 to $5. $35 it cost us to load and unload. And now we're having lunch at a place, I don't know what it's called.
It's called
Acres of Clams. Yeah, Acres of Clams, they say. So when you add in the parking
and no water
and the cost of happy hour, which they're happy it's happy hour because it's not happy hour prices, trust me. This is going to be a $200 lunch.
Easily. However, we're here and we're having fun.
Yes.
We're here food. We're glad to be here.
We're making the best of it.
Oyster bar too. Fresh oysters. That's all I needed too. Fresh oysters. I'm gonna see how much they are. Just out of curiosity, what I missed. Half a pound. No.
Joe, show me your sad face. Disappointment face. Joe. Hey Todd, last night we talked about all the flowers down at the market. We said it's such a waste of money. Well, I broke down, but guess what happened? She bought those, I bought those for her. See, I turned my back for a second to go take a video, and she's off shopping.
But I always got.
Yeah, you had to watch that. So here we are in Long Beach, Washington. It's pretty far south on the Pacific coast, just about, I don't know, half hour north of the Oregon border. Anyway, we're here in the downtown area. Gonna do a little searching around and exploring. Joanne's gonna go into shops. I'll be bored. I'll look for ice cream, beer, or snacks like that while she does her thing. But let's show you around town, show you what Long Beach is all about. Looks like you're stealing things, digging it out of your purse with those things in your hand.
I stayed all the other day. Been floating with my head down. Don't know if I'm meant to stay.
there is a Kite Festival that goes on here in Long Beach. I don't know how often we just happen to stumble across it.
Huge.
As you can see, all the cute, wonderful, huge kites behind us, right, Joe? It's awesome. Yeah.
Not forget. See it?
Oh yeah, the big dragon's up.
Been staring all these days ahead. You all know when it's
Okay, this is taking kite flying to a whole new level.
I want to see that one right up.
A lot different from our diamond-shaped kites we did as kids.
It just came crashing down. It would go.
Boom. Constantly replacing and fixing and taping up the little balsa wood frame.
You put it back into your slots.
Yeah.
Remember? Oh, God.
How about you guys watching this? You guys remember that? Comment below. And of course we got a Long Beach fire truck here. Why you need a fire truck at a kite festival?
Come right over here.
Oh, but he's coming here.
What are you doing, Jeff?
if a guy doesn't wanna cross here, they were trying into little knots.
How fun.
I flew kite.
You did.
It's not too late. If a guy doesn't wanna cross here, they were trying into little knots. It is possible, I know. It's not too late.
So if you love oysters, like Joanne does, you've got to come to Oysterville and the sea farms and get yourself some fresh oysters. Let's go check this place out.
We end up opening about 5.
All the oyster farms all over there. I don't know if you can see on the buoys out there, but clearly they grow them all out here. So Jojo,
What?
how were those fresh raw oysters you just had?
Not fresh, not raw, not oysters, but the clam chowder was yummy.
We couldn't get oysters.
Not get oysters because this time of year they will not shuck them.
They're not in season apparently.
Right. We found that out.
We didn't know.
But I did wear my suit.
She wore the soup on her pants. That's what she does to commemorate the occasion. So you can tell they do a lot of oysters here because that's actually a pile of oysters. And yet,
Shells.
another one. Piles of oyster shells.
Yes, some of them are. I mean,
Yeah.
Can I go pile?
Don't go climb the pile.
No, there's too many people.
Go climb the pile.
No.
I
People to me. Look at how big some of them are on the top. You see them?
think you ought to go look.
Very quiet.
Climb up. Climb to the top.
Now I'm going to get in trouble. Ready?
That's a big one. You can take that one.
That is for real.
Look at the size of that thing. What we can do with it?
I don't know. Take a bowl.
You can eat your clam chowder out of that.
That's what I'm saying. That's just, I mean, that's insane.
All right, everybody. So that was kind of the end of our trip to Washington. We did a little Seattle, which, as you saw, incredibly disappointing. A little update on the e-bikes, or our adventures. I still have the E24 code. Haven't had time to really take the hub apart and figure out what's going on. I did check the connection. The connection's all fine. There's no bent pins or anything like that. But I'll keep you up to date what's going on there. I'm not sure what happened. I picked it up from the bike shop, and as you guys saw, had the E24 error code. They claimed they never took the back wheel off. They claimed they never took the motor apart or anything like that. But when I did pick up the bike and I first took it off the truck, as you saw here in Seattle, we noticed the plug was unplugged in the rear. So I plugged it back in and still get the code. So not sure what they did at the shop. So make this a lesson to you guys. When you pick up your bike or anything from a repair shop, test everything. Even though I didn't think to test, would the bike have an error code? Just test everything. Just ride it around, make sure everything is good. And that should have been common sense for me, but I didn't do that. So shame on me. Any rate, we had a great time in Seattle, regardless of not having the bikes to ride around with. And as you saw in the video there, I turned my back for a moment to go take some video, and Joe disappeared and went shopping. About 20 minutes later, she shows back up with a bouquet of flowers, and while she was gone, I thought I'd be nice, and I actually bought her a bouquet of flowers. So when she showed up, as you see, she had 2. And ironically, we had a nice little visit with Todd and Sheila from Switch It Up, and we were chatting around a campfire and talked about the flowers down at the market there. And he said, "Oh, what a waste, what a waste." Sheila says, "Yeah, but it's romantic." So I tried to be romantic, and that's why you heard me make the comment to Todd. Said, "See, Todd, we got some." So then after that, the next day we went down to southern Washington along the coast to a little town called Long Beach. So as you saw, we stumbled upon a kite contest or exhibition going on. It was pretty impressive. All right, again, for those of you that are new, don't forget we have a contest going on. You can win 2 cinch e-bikes that we talked about earlier in the video. All you've got to do is watch for those little clues that were throughout this video and enter that into the form. And here's the little QR code. For those of you watching on TV, scan that QR code on your phone. It'll take you right to the website. And you can fill out the clues that you saw in this episode. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell.
Monster.
And as Joe yells out, be a click monster. Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.